Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can sign in into the mobile banking application of National Australia Bank on iPhone. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to download and install the mobile banking application of National Australia Bank on your device. Then you tap and open the application. Here at the home page of National Australia Bank, you can see the option of login. You tap on it. You will see login form page where first you need to provide your National Australia Bank ID. Then you go in for providing your password. After you are done providing both the details, you need to simply tap on login where you will get directly logged in into the mobile banking application of National Australia Bank. Just in case if you forgot the password of the mobile banking application of National Australia Bank, you need to tap on the option given, that is forgot your password. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your password as well. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the mobile banking application of National Australia Bank. Thank you.